Experiencing no internet on your simple mobile device can be frustrating. The most common culprits are misconfigured access point name (APN) settings, domain name system (DNS) issues, or IP address conflicts. Let's break down each potential problem and how to identify them. First, an incorrect APN prevents your phone from connecting to Simple Mobile's data network. Signs include a complete lack of internet access after a SIM swap or OS update. Second, DNS problems can result in slow loading times or the inability to reach specific websites despite showing a connection. Finally, although rarer on mobile networks, an IP conflict can occur, especially when using a hotspot or VPN. Here's a diagram illustrating the relationship between these settings in mobile internet connectivity. The good news is these issues are usually easy to fix, often within minutes, by following troubleshooting steps. Simple Mobile's support page and app have diagnostic tools to assist. Now let's get your Simple Mobile internet working again. Start by checking your APN settings. The correct APN should be simple.simplemobile. You can find this in your phone's network settings under access point names. If it's incorrect, manually enter the correct APN details. Next, try flushing your DNS cache or switching to Google's public DNS servers, 8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, in your Wi-Fi settings if the issue persists on Wi-Fi. For IP conflicts, try restarting your phone and router. If you're using a VPN or hotspot, ensure they are configured correctly. Simple Mobile's in-app diagnostic tool, launched in July 2025, can automatically scan and correct APN settings. For rural areas with weak signals, consider repositioning yourself or contacting Simple Mobile support for further assistance. Remember to always check Simple Mobile's official website for the most up-to-date APN settings and troubleshooting tips. Here's a simple diagram showing how APN, DNS, and IP settings work together in mobile internet connectivity.